In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or remove a hyperlink in a PDF. We'll walk through opening your PDF, switching into editing mode, selecting the linked text, and either changing the link or removing it entirely. Then we'll exit editing and confirm the link no longer opens. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to editing PDFs. First, open your PDF application. Give it a moment to load the workspace so all the tools are available. Once you're in, bring in the PDF you want to work on. You can pick it from your recent or starred files if it's already there, or upload it from your device. If you're not sure whether the document has hyperlinks, look for text that's blue or underlined. Those are often links. You can also hover over the text to see if your cursor changes to a hand icon. Next, switch into editing mode. You can do this by clicking the Edit option at the top of the screen. If you don't see an Edit button there, simply right-click on the canvas, which is just the main page area where the PDF is displayed, and choose Edit PDF from the menu. Either path takes you to the same place. Now click directly on the text that contains the hyperlink. When you select it, a small tab or mini toolbar will appear right next to your selection. This is where you can manage the link. If you want to update the destination, choose the option to change the link and enter the new URL. Make sure it's complete, including the HTTP or HTTPS, so it works correctly. If your goal is to remove the link entirely, choose the Delete or Remove option in that tab. The text will stay in the document, but the hyperlink behind it will be cleared. When you're done, close the editing mode. Look for a Close, Done, or Exit option near the editor controls. Once editing is closed, click the text you just worked on to test it. You'll see that it no longer opens any link, confirming the hyperlink has been removed. If you chose to change the link instead, clicking should now take you to the new destination. If the small tab doesn't appear when you click the text, double-check that you're actually in Edit PDF mode and that you clicked the linked text itself. Zooming in can help you select it precisely. That's it. Open the app, open your PDF, enter Edit mode, click the linked text, change or delete the link, and close editing to verify the result. You're all set.